We just finished this extreme kitchen makeover here in Laguna Beach, and I couldn't be more happy with the results. When we first got in here, there were two load-bearing walls, one here and one here, just kind of secluding this kitchen area off from the rest of the house. We didn't like how that looked, so we knocked them both out and put in this huge island. In addition to that, they had the sink just kind of tucked away in this corner, no view or anything. So what we did is we moved the kitchen sink to the front window, put in some brand new windows to allow more natural light, and then created this big open concept so the whole house flows together, and now it's just perfect for hosting. She's got tons of room for meal prep. I couldn't be more happy with the result. In addition to the rest of the kitchen cabinets, we also made the most of this little nook area. We put in a small little wet bar, a drink fridge, some extra cabinets for storage, and this is all set up for him to have his espresso machine and coffee and all that here.
My name is Mario Vandenberg. We can definitely see it, a very open concept now. It's the thing that everyone wants these days, and we accomplished that. Before we used to sit on this table right here. Now this island is the center of our house. Before it was dark, now it's bright. The beautiful coffee counter, bar area as well. Yeah, this is a complete transformation. So very, very grateful of the work that Luke and his team have done for us. Absolutely.